expiry of his term. Number one, usually automatically he will be reappointed. One auditor can be appointed as a statutory auditor, company auditor for a consecutive period of 5 years. If he completes 5 years, he cannot be reappointed in 6th year. In any case, he cannot be reappointed. If consecutive 5 years are completed, then no reappointment. Section 139. Special notice to auditor or annual general meeting or extraordinary general meeting regarding the reappointment of an auditor. Communication to an auditor that you have been reappointed. The resolution has been passed. Is that clear? So again, letter of engagement will be signed by the auditor and directors. Representation by retiring auditor. If same auditor is not reappointed, then the retiring auditor can represent his opinion about audit process in such general meeting, either annual general meeting or an extraordinary general meeting. He can represent his views. Clear? Second part, if you will see, removal of an auditor before the expiry of his term. When there are difference of opinions, then dispute starts. Number one, section 140, subsection 1. Previous approval of the central government is compulsory. Company cannot remove any auditor without the written consent of the central government of India. What is central government? Focus. Central government is what? MCA. What is MCA? Ministry of Company Affairs. The minister, cabinet minister in charge. Then state minister or Ministry of Company Affairs. Then secretary, deputy secretary. Then comes your NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. Below that, regional directors, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi and Kolkata. East, West, South, North. Regional directors. Below that, register of companies for each district or region. This is an administrative structure of corporate law. So the company has to send a special form number 82 as per Rule 7. The central government, the Parliament of India has published the company's audit and auditors rules in the year 2014. In that Rule 7 says that form number 82, ADT2, shall be submitted by a company if company wants to remove any statutory auditor who has been appointed by general meeting. Is that clear? So such form, special resolution of shareholders. What is special resolution? The resolution which has been passed by not less than 3/4. 3/4 means 75% majority of the quorum of the meeting. That resolution is called as special resolution. Yes, auditor shall be removed. Then such resolution accompanied with form number 82 as per Rule 7, payment of prescribed fees as per section 12. With section 12, the company registration and fees rules 2014 that are also published. Clear? Then board meeting will be conducted by the board of directors. The agenda will be removal of an auditor, but board cannot remove alone. Board meeting will be conducted for the purpose of conducting special resolution by shareholders. So board has to decide when to conduct extraordinary general meeting. Clear? So board meeting, then opportunity of being heard. What is opportunity of being heard? The chance will be given to an auditor. The opportunity will be given to an auditor if he wants to represent something before removal. You would have seen a famous Hindi movie scene. If somebody has committed a crime and judge is going to give him final judgment, तो जज उसको पूछता है, मिस्टर एक्स, आपको आपकी सफाई के बारे में कुछ कहना है? This last question is asked. Is that clear? Even if he is 24 of section 302 of Indian Penal Code, कितना भी संगीन जुर्म हो, उसको पूछा जाता है ये बताने से पहले कि तमाम सबूत और गाँव के बयानात मद्देनजर रखते हुए अदालत इस नतीजे पर पहुंची है कि मुलजिम एक्स ने ये जुर्म किया है और उसको ये अदालत सजाए बहुत देती है। ये बोलने से पहले जज जी का काम क्या है? उसको पूछना, भाई बोल दो अगर कुछ है जिससे तुम छूट सको, अभी बोलो। Exactly. So that is an opportunity of being heard. Same way, before recommending removal of an auditor, auditor is given an opportunity of being heard. कि भैया हम आपको हटा रहे हैं ऑडिटर की पोजीशन से, अगर आपको कुछ कहना है तो आप हमें बता सकते हैं। Even in general meeting also, he is given an opportunity in front of shareholders. Very important clause it is. वहाँ पे क्लियर हो जाता है दोषी कौन है, डायरेक्टर्स है या ऑडिटर है, 1 मिनट में क्लियर हो जाता है। अगर उसने बोल दिया ये लोग मुझे क्यों हटाना चाहते हैं, हो गया काम, फिर स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन पास नहीं होता, सेम ऑडिटर इज कंटिन्यूड एंड नो रिमूवल विल बी देयर इन दैट केस। If you will get an opportunity to speak in general meeting and if you will tell why I am being removed by the directors of your company, 75% छोड़ो 10% और भी नहीं मिलेगी। If directors or promoters are having major shareholding, in that case it can happen in large scale companies, but usually it is difficult. So opportunity. Petition to regional director. This provision has been deleted by the central government of India. Clear? In 2014, notification was there. The petition to regional director is not required. Then submit edited to with e-form RD1. Online form company has to submit, and it has to accompany form edited to, which it has previously submitted. Then convene extraordinary general meeting or annual general meeting within 60 days from the date of e-form RD1. Within 2 months, 60 days it has to conduct annual general meeting or extraordinary general meeting. If annual general meeting date is not matching, एक साल complete नहीं हुआ है AGM को, तो they can call extraordinary general meeting. And submit special resolution within 30 days from the date in which meeting in which such resolution has been passed. After submitting special resolution, filing of MGT, T is small here, MGT 14 is the last form which will confirm the removal of an auditor. Shall I hope it is understood? If any question is there, you can ask me any question, any doubts. That's all.